Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's KBB Alpha here, and today I have another unboxing and review video. This here is touted as a desktop atmosphere light, but we all know this is just some basic RGB lighting that is remote controlled. Now, a lot of these have different makes and models and sizes and shapes all over Amazon. I'm pretty sure you all have seen them. They range, I want to say, around maybe around $20 to $70. I did get this one here for $20, so it was on the low end here. So let's go ahead and unbox this, and I'll show you guys what's inside. So outside of the box, we have the unit itself. We have the two lamps here, the remote control. These are the stands for them if you so choose. We have a user manual, as well as a little thank you, and if things aren't going well, to contact the manufacturer. So with that said, let's go ahead and take off these tie wraps. Alright, so that's a pretty good length if you wanted to hook it up to your computer or any power source. Here is the sensor, and here are the buttons that you can just click on yourself if you don't want to use the included remote. Here's the manual again. It just tells you what to expect from the product here, but I'm sure I could easily figure this out. So these are the included stands, and you twist it to lock it in place. See how it looks like a little key? Let's put that right there. Just lock it. Now it is stuck there. Do the same thing with the other end of this. Alright, so let's go ahead and plug this in and see how it looks like. Alright, so right off the bat it turns on with the normal RGB colors. Let's use the controller here. Now, as you can see, the controller from the bottom up has the regular colors RGB. Brightness settings here, it has the regular white color. These are the timer settings, the modes, and the speeds of the different modes. Now, this is purported to have 25 light settings. I don't know if we're going to go through all 25, but I'll just go ahead and show you guys a couple of them here. So this is the original startup one. That's the second, and just cycling through them. All right, so I did count 25 clicks in my head. I know I said I wasn't going to count, but I subconsciously did, and that was exactly 25 different modes there. Now, if you just want to have static colors, you do have the red, green, and the blue, and the white color there as well. Okay, so with this, I did notice that there is also a second way to mount the base here. I already did change it on this one, but on one end you do have another spot to place the base of this in. And so essentially you can have them standing up like this, facing in any which way you would like, which is a nice touch. I did think there was only one way to have this product, which is the having it horizontal like that. But since they do have it vertically, I think that's also another good option for you there. Okay guys, so the final verdict for me with this product here is I am 50-50. Now I'm 50-50 because this product is an okay product. It does what it is set out to do, which is provide you with RGB lighting with a number of settings and options here. You can have this horizontal or vertically. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Now, the other part of me is you can go ahead and just simply buy some LED strips and stick them to wherever you want to place them. They are cheaper than this. Now, this is $20. But the LED light strips you can find range between $4 to $15. And they will cover a wider area than these light bars do. These are pretty stationary, and you only have two ways to set them up wherever you wish to do that. Now, if you don't want to invest in any LED strips, I'd say go for this. But as for myself, using the strips gives you more options and possibilities on how to light up an area as opposed to this because it is stationary. But it's up to you guys, whatever floats your boat essentially. This does what it says it will do, which is again provide RGB lighting with a number of options here for you. Alright guys, so once again I will put the link in the description below to the product. And I hope you guys liked my review and unboxing of this RGB light bar here. And I will see you guys in my next video.